Yo, I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it.
Hey guys, I am Technical Hameem. I here to help you to create a new YouTube channel step by step. All you have to do is sign into YouTube and go to Creator Studio and create a new channel. After that, you have almost created a new channel after giving a name. And go to the dashboard for the main settings of your channel. And got it, and view channel, click on that. After that, go to customize channel and click on the setting button on the right corner. It's taking some time. Just hold up for a sec. Click all the keep all enable and save. After that, you will see your page is some different from before. You have to give a image for your customization. Profile pic, what you say? Upload a photo. Choose your file destination. After that, click done. And get back to your previous page. Give a channel art, gallery. I recommended you to make a new channel art by yourself for the best review. And congratulations guys, your channel successfully created. Thanks for watching.